Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today we will be continuing chapter 1 Organic Chemistry. The topic Polymers. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to define polymers. You will be able to explain synthetic polymers and natural polymers. Next, we shall learn about polymers. A polymer is any substance containing very large molecules formed when lots of small molecules join together. The reaction that took place is, example, ethene to polyethene. Here, the smaller molecules, that is ethene, large number of smaller molecules join and forms a polyethene. The product is called a polymer. The polymer made from ethene is called polyethene or polythene. Poly means many. The reaction is called a polymerization. In a polymerization reaction, thousands of small molecules join to give one large molecule. The small molecules are called monomers and the product is called a polymer. Please look into the picture given on the right hand side. Polythene for packaging is made and solid as pellets like this. So first it is obtained as a solid pellets. Later they will be heated to soften or melt them and turned into plastic bottles and bags. So this is how plastic bottles are made. So to make a bottle, polythene pellets are melted first. A little molten polymer is fed into a mold to get the desired shape. A jet of air forces it into the shape of the mold. Then the mold is opened and out comes a plastic bottle. The two types of polymers are synthetic polymers and natural polymers. First, we will learn what is synthetic polymers. Synthetic means it is made in factory. That is, man-made polymers are synthetic polymers. The image on right shows the making of nylon, which is a synthetic polymer, by the reaction between the two monomers molecules. Look into the reaction on the right hand side. The group where the monomers joined is called the amide linkage, which is given in a dotted circle. So the nylon is called a polyamide. Nylon can be drawn into tough strong fibers, so it is used for threads, ropes, fishing nets, etc. This is the main use of nylon. This is how the synthetic polymer nylon is made. The next synthetic polymer named Terylene. Let us see how Terylene are made. Like nylon, Terylene is made by condensation polymerization using two different monomers. This time we call it as C and D. Please look into the picture on the right hand side. C has two COOH, that is carboxyl groups, and D has two OH, that is alcohol groups. Only these functional groups take part in the reaction. Hence, the rest of the molecules are represented as blocks. You can see red, yellow color boxes. That is the blocks. The group where the monomers have joined is called an ester linkage. In nylon it is called amide linkage. Here it is called ester linkage. So terylene is also a polymer, that is polyester. It is a polymer. Since it is called ester linkage, terylene is a polyester. Terylene is used for shirts, that is polyester shirts and other clothings, and for bed linen it is also sold as polyester threads. Next is the natural polymers. What are natural polymers? Our food contains two natural polymers, namely carbohydrates and proteins. Proteins are natural polymers built up from molecules of amino acids, which is shown on the right hand side of the slide. This drawing shows four different amino acids monomers joining to form part of a protein molecules. From 60 to 6000 amino acid units can join to make a protein. The reaction is a condensation polymerization with loss of water molecules. Note the amide linkage as in nylon. That's the end of chapter 1. Hope you all understood the topics. Stay home and be safe. Study well. Thank you, my dear children. Take care.